I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by anchoring posture and breath because nasal tone often starts with shallow air. Stand tall, align head over spine, and inhale into the diaphragm for 3 to 4 seconds. This gives steady airflow. Once done, exhale on a gentle hum and notice where vibration sits. If mostly in the nose, lower the focus. Make sure to keep shoulders relaxed while keeping the chest stable. This provides consistent support and prevents pushing sound into the nasal passages early. You now shape tone by opening the throat and directing resonance. Begin with a yawny ah to lift the soft palate. This creates space and reduces nasal escape. Then shift to forward or mask resonance, imagining sound in the cheekbones to balance brightness without nasal buzzing. Once comfortable, sing scales that include M and N, but consciously lift the soft palate during these consonants so the sound doesn't get trapped in the nose. This coordination is why many singers stop sounding nasally. You finish by refining with targeted drills and quick troubleshooting. Do the nasal pinch test. Sing a vowel, pinch nostrils, release, and listen for change. This reveals nasal leakage. Record 30-second samples before and after practice so you objectively compare resonance. Once done, practice slowly, exaggerating soft palate lift and forward placement until it feels automatic. If you still sound nasal, slow the tempo, amplify the yawny lift, and repeat. This controlled repetition is the fastest route to lasting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.